Hey everyone, you join us here in our beautiful hotel here in Rome. That's the city just behind us. And today we're going to be doing another flight review. Now, since the main lockdown across Europe has been lifted slightly, we've managed to get the opportunity to fly a little bit. We've flown in economy on Air France and in business class on British Airways. Today we're going to be flying from Rome to Frankfurt and then Frankfurt to Manchester on Lufthansa to experience their short-haul business class here in Europe. So the way that we travel has changed and the way that airlines have adapted to COVID-19 has differed. So how will Lufthansa fare? Come with us and let's find out. So here we are at Fiumicino Airport in Rome. We're all checked in now, we're in the departure lounge. Unfortunately, the Star Alliance lounge is closed. For what it's worth, the British Airways lounge is closed here as well. However, the lounges should be open at Frankfurt because it's Lufthansa's hub. So in the meantime, we've just come to a pizza place. I'm having yet more pizza. We've eaten so much pizza on this trip, it's unreal. So we've got a couple of hours to chill now before the flight. Today's Airbus A320, just your standard European business class. So boarding began early, so much early actually that we missed the priority boarding call for business class, but never mind. The plus point is, from an AvGeek's point of view, we're out on a remote stand, so we had to get a bus across the apron to the aircraft. And the board of the aircraft actually using priority boarding, which is something that British Airways aren't doing at the moment because of COVID. What is very similar to British Airways is the fact that when you board, you get one of those hand hygiene packs, which is very similar to what British Airways do. And so here we are in Frankfurt. Well, we had our flight from Rome to Frankfurt. We've just been in the lounge for a couple of hours before our flight to Manchester. So the lounge here in Frankfurt, because it's Lufthansa's main hub, is open, so that's great. And the flight, you know what, really, we've flown with Lufthansa before on short-haul business class, and there wasn't really very much difference. You still got the normal meal service, you still got drinks in a proper glass, you didn't get a hot towel, to be fair, but when we did board you had the wipe and the antibacterial gel that you got on British Airways. But the difference between post-COVID Lufthansa business class and British Airways business class pulls apart. It's totally different. Now, one of the reasons why we did this flight review is because we did hear that Lufthansa had barely changed their business class service, and that has shown in this video that, you know, it's totally different to British Airways' approach. So it's been really interesting to see. Now, if you're interested in seeing what British Airways business class in Europe is like post-COVID, then we do have a separate review of that you can take a look at, and it's on a flight between London Heathrow and Istanbul, and you'll find that on our YouTube channel. If you are watching us on YouTube, then please do subscribe to us. We'd love you to do that. We have lots of trip reports on there, as well as some of the destination reviews and some of the things that we get up to in our destinations on our YouTube channel, so please do subscribe to it. And we're also on Facebook, and check out our website at www.theglobeguys.com. Anyway, we have got our last flight of the day home to Manchester, so thanks for watching and we'll see you again soon. Bye bye.